And today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can edit our pics through reference images in Midjourney. So without wasting our time, what we will do first is that we will click on this plus button. When we will click on it, when this pop-up will come, then you have to click on upload a file. So you have to choose pic that you want to edit. So I will choose this one. So you have to just click or hit enter, and after hitting, this pic is here. So now next step is that you will click on it, and now you have to right click and copy image address, or you can copy link, both are same. So we will click on it, then we will go here. Here we will just type slash, we will click on imagine prompt, and we have to paste our link of this pic. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space. Now what we will do is that we will write our prompt here. So as you can see, this is our prompt. So you can read Cyberpunk 3D projected screen, contents of the screen green and purple, light colored background. We will hit or click here, and Midjourney will give us some results. Let's see that what will be the result of it. So here is our 4 variations that Midjourney has given us. We will click on it and we will open it in a new tab. It will take a little time because I think internet is slow, but we will await little. So here is our result. 4 variations, pick 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will click V1, so it means that it will give you 4 variations of this pic. And if same as you can see that, if you will click V2, it will give these 4 variations same as 3 and 4. If you want upscale this pic, but it will not give you 4 variations, but it will upscale in single pic. So what is V1 or U1? Here you can see that we will see that where is our pic. We have to scroll a little so we can see that. So just give me a little time and I will provide you what you want. So here this is U1, U2, U3, U4 mean upscale U1, U2, U3, U4, and V1 variation. If you click on V1, so it will give this 4 variations, and same if you click V2, it will give these 4 variations. So we will click on V1. We want these 4 variations of this pic. So we will click on V1. So when we will click on it, Midjourney will give us these 4 variations. Let's open a new tab so we can see the full quality of it. Here is 4 variations, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same if you want to want any 4 type of variations, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. And now if you want upscale any pic, you have to click on U1, U2, U3 and U4. So here what we will do is that we want this version of this pic, want upscale, that we will click on U1. So when we will click on U1, this Midjourney will give us this result, and we will see in full quality here. This is the final result, and you can see that. I wish this video will help you to create or generate your own pics. So if you have any type of queries, you can comment me and I will reply you.